Hi, Reverend Victoria Loveland Cohen here, and we at Unity Center of Peace are busy preparing an awesome holiday service for you. After last year's kind of online only service, which by the way, we're grateful that we had the technology to do that, but this year we get to gather together in person once again. And for any of those of you who may not be able to join us in person, we'll be live streaming all the celebrations. First of all, can I just tell you that our Christmas Eve service is going to be awesome. We have a band, an actual band, that is going to be leading the congregation in joyous Christmas carols, and they'll be singing some of their own. And our traditional UCP 12 power readings are always a joyous way to deepen our understanding and anchor ourselves in the divine. And then, of course, at the end of the service, the candle lighting, such a beautiful way to carry that presence into the holiday season. Then on the last Sunday of the year, you'll want to join us as we gather together and release anything that we don't want to take with us into the new year in our burning bowl service. It's always a favorite for good reason. So this might be a time that you want to invite your friends. And then be sure to be with us on the first Sunday in January as we're guided to hear our inner wisdom that will reveal a word or a phrase that will be a guiding light, that will be a key to the blossoming of new good in the new year. Details are available on our website, unitychapelhill.org. I'll see you there. Merry Christmas.